News release. Wednesday, July 19, 2023. National Institute of Health-funded effort provides interactive resource for global research community in a major breakthrough toward understanding and treating kidney disease. A nationwide research team funded by the National Institutes of Health has created the most comprehensive atlas of the human kidney. Data from the Kidney Tissue Atlas will allow the comparison of healthy kidney cells to those injured by kidney disease, helping investigators understand the factors that contribute to the progression of kidney disease and kidney failure or recovery from injury. The Atlas, part of the Kidney Precision Medicine Project KPMP, was supported by National Institute of Health's National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases NIDDK as published in Nature. Due to the complexity of the kidney, scientists have struggled to develop kidney models that accurately represent human kidney structures and function. The lack of human kidney models has limited the ability to develop new drugs to treat or prevent kidney disease. The Kidney Tissue Atlas comprises maps of 51 main kidney cell types that include rare and novel cell populations, 28 kidney cellular states that represent injury or disease, a repository of raw gene data, and interactive 3D models of cells and microenvironment relationships created from 45 healthy donor kidneys and 48 kidney disease biopsies. The atlas thus establishes a critical foundation for KPMP's overall goal to help discover new treatments for chronic kidney disease CKD and acute kidney injury at KI medical conditions that present a significant global health burden. The publicly available data created by KPMP, including all 3D renderings and analytical tools, can be accessed at atlas.kpmp.org. KPMP's new atlas represents open, public science at its best, said Dr. Eric Brunskill, KPMP Program Director in NIDDK's Division of Kidney Urologic and Hematologic Diseases. With the atlas, we've created an interactive, hypothesis-generating resource for kidney disease investigators and clinicians around the world. While CKD have historically been described as single, uniform diseases, KPMP builds on growing consensus that kidney disease can have several different root causes and disease pathways leading to subgroups of CKD and KI. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach to treating kidney disease, precision medicine explores more personalized treatments. KPMP's Kidney Atlas is intended to help identify disease subgroups within CKD and KI, leading to the discovery of new and possibly individualized ways to treat CKD and KI. The study also received support from the Human Cell Atlas Initiative, an international research effort to gather information on at least 10 billion human cells, and National Institute of Health's Human Biomolecular Atlas program WHO-BMAP. WHO-BMAP's goal is to develop an open and global platform to map healthy cells in the human body. The KPMP and WHO-BMAP teams worked closely to align the outputs of this molecular atlas as an example of cross-consortia collaborations. KPMP brings together the best of new technology, patient engagement, and partnership, and represents an evolution in the way we think about kidney disease, said NIDDK Director Dr. Griffin P. Rogers. We are confident the Kidney Tissue Atlas will help us discover new ways to get the right kidney disease treatment to the right patient at the right time. Data related to this research are available for request at the NIDDK Central Repository. Research reported in this study was funded by NIDDK K grants UTWO CD cone 114,886 UH3D cone 114,861 UH3D cone 114,866 UH3D cone 114,870 UH3D cone 114,908 UH3D cone 114,915 UH3D cone 114,926 UH3D cone 114,907 UH3D cone 114,923 and UH3D cone 114,933. The research was also supported by National Institute of Health STEN OD 26,929, National Cancer Institute P30C Anonymity 1842, and National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences ULON T R2345. UBMAP is supported by National Institute of Health OT2 D33760, National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute U54H Lone 145,608, and NID KU54D Cone 134,301. Additional National Institute of Health support was provided by NID Keith D. Cone 107,864, Roan D. Cone 111,651, Pone D. K 56,788, Utwo C. D. Cone 114,886, U54D Keith D. 3,912, P30D Keith D. 1,943, K23D Cone 125,529, and U54D Keith D. 3,912. National Institute of Mental Health UON MHON 114,828, and National Cancer Institute UH3C at 146,632. About the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases NIDDKEN, IDDK, a component of the National Institutes of Health. National Institute of Health conducts and supports research on diabetes and other endocrine and metabolic diseases, digestive diseases, nutrition and obesity, and kidney, urologic and hematologic diseases. Spanning the full spectrum of medicine and afflicting people of all ages and ethnic groups, these diseases encompass some of the most common, severe, and disabling conditions affecting Americans. For more information about the NIDDK and its programs, see www.nidg.gov. About the National Institutes of Health. National Institute of Health. National Institute of Health, the nation's medical research agency, includes 27 institutes and centers and is a component of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. National Institute of Health is the primary federal agency conducting and supporting basic, clinical, and translational medical research and is investigating the causes, treatments, and cures for both common and rare diseases. For more information about National Institute of Health and its programs, visit www.nidg.gov. National Institute of Health Turning Discovery into Health Registered. Lake Beebe et al. An Atlas of Healthy and Injured Cell States and Niches in the Human Kidney. Nature, 2023.